See, I tied the two leashes together. And they don't jerk me to death while we do our walk out here on the path along the river. Nobody out here. Only time I can do this. And they like it. Good boy, Nick. Good boy, Bus. Good boy. Buster's getting into something. What you getting into, boss? What you getting into? What's up, Nick? You good boy. Yes, you are. All right, Nick. Oh, oh. Guy's gonna trip me. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Well, we started this walk at Mom's apartment. Now we're about a mile past the hospital on the river. And this is what I'm talking about. Kind of stuff you need to do to lose weight. And it's actually relaxing and fun. These boys like it too. They need it. Out of the doo-doo. Get out there. No doo-doo. No doo-doo sniffing. Let's go. Phew, you guys are. Hey, Nick. What a good boy. Come on, boss. Come on, boss. Let's go. Hurry up, boss. Come on. Come on, boss. We're waiting on you. All right, good boy. Wearing me out. And this is normally where we go that way. Normally we go that way. Down that trail. It's flooded out. It's flooded out today, so we can't. But we'll walk that way till we see the bridge. We'll go up. We'll take a left and go down to the battery park there they got, the armory park or whatever it is, and then we circle back to the hospital. And then I usually drive home, but today we're walking back to Mom's, so it's gonna be an extra long walk today. Okay, boys, come here. Stop. Stop. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna turn it off now. Hey, Nicky. Good boy. Hey, Bus. Good boy.